I've been using a new GoHighLevel AI feature that is automating 99% of social media content. It's creating social media graphics, both single image and carousels, wrote all the captions, added hashtags, and then scheduled every single post. And I didn't click a single button outside of the chat. I'm going to show you exactly how I'm using this to run social media for multiple businesses right now, and how you can do the same thing, whether it's for your own brand or to sell this as a service. And I know what I'm talking about because I run a social media marketing agency, and last month we generated over $434,000 in revenue. Let me refresh my payment processor real quick, just so you can see this is legit. I do this every video because if someone on YouTube isn't showing you their real numbers, you probably shouldn't listen to them. So there it is, over $434,000 in revenue, roughly 300 active clients, and we charge about $1,000 a month. So when I tell you this AI feature is changing how we do social media, I mean it. All right, so let me break this down. I'm gonna walk you through the entire system, from creating the images and captions, then all the way to tracking your results. At any point, if you wanna follow along, then click the first link in the description below to get access to a 30-day free trial. And when you use my link, you'll get access to my AI Business Blueprint course for free. Now, let's get into it. Chapter 1, how I'm automating social media images and captions. So I'm using GoHighLevel's Ask AI, which is currently powered by Claude, to create social media images and captions in minutes. Because this thing is not just a chatbot. It can actually create graphics, write captions, generate hashtags, and schedule posts, all from a single conversation. Let me show you what I mean. I'm going to start with a real example. I had a plumbing company here in Atlanta Plumbing and Drain Co. All I did was go into Ask AI and type in a prompt like this: act as an elite social media marketer and create 12 Instagram graphics for this plumbing business. Do some research to create compelling graphics that will capture attention and are trendy right now. And then I dropped in their website URL. That's it. That's the prompt. And watch what Ask AI came back with. It generated 12 completely unique graphics. We're talking sales posts with their branding, a free estimate post, a tip of the week post, seasonal care tips, customer testimonials, and more. And it gave me a full content strategy breakdown, telling me which post is for service spotlighting, which one is for lead generation, and which ones are for social proof and trust. But here's what really blew my mind. I didn't stop at just one business. I did 33 posts for a heating and air company. 33 from one conversation. Take a look at all the various posts it created. These would take a graphic designer hours to do manually. They would need to study a brand guide, find a design tool, and creatively put everything together. AI does it in minutes. And then I started doing carousel posts. Now, if you don't know, carousels are crushing reels in 2026. The engagement on carousels right now is insane. So I tested this with a mobile dog grooming business called Maddie's Mobile Makeovers. Ask AI created a full 5-slide carousel. Slide 1 is a before and after hook to grab attention. Slide 2 is a services overview, breaking down basic versus full makeover packages. Slide 3 is 5 reasons for mobile grooming, which is shareable and educational. Slide 4 is customer testimonials for social proof. And slide 5 is a booking CTA driving traffic to their website. Then I did the same thing for a med spa. Again, creating amazing carousel graphics for this business. And then about 7 days ago, I started creating carousel posts for my own new Instagram account, Sean Stanberry AI. And let me show you what those look like. I asked it to create a 7-slide carousel about starting your AI agency in 2026. It came back with a slide 1 hook showing $400,000 a month, slide 2 on why AI agencies are booming, slide 3 on picking your niche, slide 4 on the tools you need, slide 5 on how to get your first client, slide 6 on scaling with automation, and then slide 7 is telling people to follow for more. Now look, the account is only 7 days old. I've got 28 posts up, 22 followers. The numbers aren't impressive yet. I'm not going to sit here and pretend they are. But the reach is already building, and I'm genuinely excited to share my growth over the next 90 days with you. Now here's my tip for you. If you're just getting started, don't try to create 30 posts at once. Start with just a few images, maybe 3 to 5. Get comfortable with the outputs. Try different prompt ideas. And if you don't like the designs or something feels off, no problem. Just respond with something like, act as an elite designer and enhance all the designs, and Ask AI will iterate and make them better. Once you get the hang of it, then you can scale up to full 30-day content calendars. Chapter 2, how I'm publishing everything on Autopilot. Now, this is the part that separates GoHighLevel from every other AI image generator out there. See, with tools like ChatGPT or Midjourney or Canva AI, you create the graphics. Cool. But then what? You've got to download every single image, go to a social media scheduler, upload them one by one, write the captions, pick the dates and times, and publish. That's a lot of manual work. With GoHighLevel, everything lives inside the social planner. The images you create in Ask AI are already stored in the platform. There's no downloading. There's no uploading. It's all connected. Here's how you set it up. Step 1, go to marketing, then social planner, then settings, and connect your social media accounts. You can connect Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, TikTok, Pinterest, YouTube, Google Business Profile, Threads, even Blue Sky. Just click Add Account, authorize it, and you're good to go. Step 2, go back to Ask AI. And this is the magic part. Once your social accounts are connected, you can literally just ask the AI to schedule everything. Type something like, schedule the post. You choose the dates and times based on best practices. That's it. Ask AI will look at the graphics it already created, pair them with the captions and hashtags, pick optimal posting times, and schedule them directly into the social planner. You don't touch a single button. Watch. You can see right here is creating the social planner post, attaching all 5 carousel slides, writing the caption, setting the schedule date, and pushing it directly to Instagram. Status, scheduled. All I had to do was type approved. No downloading, no uploading, no switching between apps. You prompt the AI, it handles everything. But it doesn't stop there. Let me show you chapter 3, how I auto respond to comments and send DMs. And this is where it gets really powerful. So you're creating content and publishing it on Autopilot. But what happens when people actually engage with your posts? What happens when someone leaves a comment? Most people just let those comments sit there. Maybe they reply a few hours later, maybe they don't reply at all. And that's a huge missed opportunity. Here's what I set up instead. I built a very simple workflow in GoHighLevel that automatically responds to Instagram comments and sends a DM to anyone who engages with my posts. Let me show you how simple this is. The workflow is called Comment to DM Instagram, and it's literally 2 steps. Step 1 is the trigger, Instagram comments. Anytime someone comments on one of my published posts, this workflow fires. Step 2 is an AI agent action. This AI agent is set up to do a few things. It can respond via SMS, reply on Instagram, tag the contact, and create tasks. So when someone comments on my post, the AI agent automatically sends them a DM. Something like, hey, thanks for engaging with my post. I noticed you're interested in this topic. Here's a free resource, or whatever you want it to say. Now here's why this matters. When you reply to comments quickly and send DMs, a few things happen. First, Instagram's algorithm sees that engagement and pushes your content to more people, more reach, more impressions. Second, you're starting a conversation in the DMs, which is where you can actually convert followers into appointments, leads, or customers. And third, you're doing all of this without lifting a finger because the AI agent handles everything automatically. Think about this from a service perspective. If you're managing social media for a plumbing company or a med spa or a dog groomer, and you can tell them, not only am I creating and scheduling all your content, but I'm also automatically responding to every comment and sending DMs to turn those commenters into booked appointments. That's a game changer. That's the kind of service businesses will happily pay $500 to $1,000 a month for. By the way, GoHighLevel is the platform we use to manage our agency and all of our clients. If you haven't tested it out before, you have to try it using the link in the description below. And if you use my link, you'll also get access to my full AI business blueprint course for free. Just go to SeanStanberry.com. I'll leave the link in the description. Chapter 4, how I measure my results. So one of the things I love about doing all of this inside GoHighLevel is that the analytics are built right in. You don't need a separate tool to see how your content is performing. Just go to Marketing, Social Planner, and then click on Statistics. You can see everything right here. For my Instagram account, remember this is a brand new account I started just 7 days ago. I'm looking at the week of April 23rd to April 29th, 2026. And here's what I'm seeing. 21 posts published that week, 237 total impressions, 4 likes, 8 comments. Now, are these numbers massive? No, I'm gonna be real with you. It's a brand new account. But here's why I'm excited. I got 237 impressions in the first week with 0 paid ads, 0 outreach, just AI generated content posted on Autopilot. And I can see the trend line going up in the social post performance chart. The reach is building. You can also drill down into individual post performance to see which posts are getting the most engagement, which times are performing best, and what content types, the single images versus carousels, are resonating with your audience. This is the data you use to refine your strategy and tell the AI what to create more of. I'm going to be documenting my 90-day growth journey with this account, so make sure you subscribe if you want to follow along with the real numbers. Chapter 5, why this is important. Now let me tie all of this together because here's the big picture. What I just showed you is a complete social media automation system. You've got AI creating the graphics and writing the captions. You've got AI scheduling and publishing the posts. You've got AI responding to comments and sending DMs, and you've got built-in analytics tracking everything. All of this running inside one platform. Now think about what this means for you. There are two massive opportunities here. First, you can use this to grow your own social media accounts and your own brand. I just showed you how I'm doing it, and you can do the exact same thing for your personal brand, your business, whatever you're building. Second, and this is the bigger play, you can sell this as a service to small businesses. Think about the plumbing company I showed you earlier. Think about the dog groomer. Think about the med spa. These are real businesses that need social media content but don't have the time, the skills, or the budget to hire a full marketing team. You can walk into any of these businesses and say, I'll create all of your social media content, schedule it across every platform, respond to every comment, send DMs to turn followers into customers, and give you a full analytics report, and I'll charge you just $500 a month. And the crazy part is, with GoHighLevel's Ask AI doing most of the heavy lifting, you can manage 10, 20, even 30 clients without a team. That's $10,000 a month as a one-person operation. This is why I keep saying 2026 is the easiest year to start an AI agency. The tools are here, the demand is here, and most small businesses have no idea this technology even exists. That's your advantage. Now, coming up next, I have a video where I created 33 social media posts in just 10 minutes using AI. I walk you through the entire process step by step. It's one of my most watched videos, so check that out if you haven't already, and I'll see you over there.